Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best glass cleaners on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Persik Pure Sky Window Glass Cleaning Cloth. In this age of saving all the turtles and refusing to disturb Johnny Polar Bear, it's become fashionable to use as few chemicals as possible, no matter the task. Your author is a lot more green and granola than he cares to admit, so it stands to reason he'd drink from this particular trough of organic thought as well. Which is why I spent my own money on this product. This cloth cleans glass with only water. Its special twin-layer microfiber construction somehow provides a streak-free shine without detergents. From personal experience, it can be confidently asserted that this thing also works on chrome, real chrome, not plated plastic, though it will shine that stuff as well, along with mirrors. It purports to work fine on infotainment screens as well, but your author prefers to use a different cloth for that purpose. Pros: no chemicals, saves on paper towels, it makes the turtles smile. Cons: costly for a single cloth. Number 2. Our second best pick is Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner. This product is found in many big retailers, including several gross amounts at most Costco stores. Its ubiquity means that most of us have used it at some point in our lives, assuming you're all gearheads with a neat streak like me. The company claims that this cleaner is safe to use on tinted windows, but it would be a very good idea to test it in an inconspicuous area first if applying it to aftermarket tint. A pair of 22-ounce bottles should last an entire summer of detailing unless one practices an almost psychotic level of detailing on their car. There are no soaps or dyes in the formula, according to Invisible Glass, which is why it makes the claim of providing a streak-free finish on windows. Pros: popular, no streaks, has the word stoner on the label. Cons: kinda following the crowd with this choice. Number 3. Our third best pick is Griot's Garage Glass Cleaning Clay. If you're keen on deploying a product that there's a good chance no one else on the team will own, you could do worse than this glass cleaning clay from Griot's. The seller says it removes mineral deposits dried on glass, as well as oily road residue. The former point means you'll have to take care your significant other doesn't spirit it away for use in the bathroom shower doors. Working in a similar fashion to a clay bar, this clay is a good first step before the actual polishing of the glass itself. Road film, tar, water spots, and other day-to-day road dirt is removed, but it is important to note that, like a clay bar, some sort of lubricant is needed. Griot's, of course, recommends its very own Speed Shine. The bar itself is 100 grams. Pros: unique take on glass cleaning, the picture looks like a smurf is trapped in the bottle. Cons: extra cost lubricant is required, hold the jokes, please. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Invisible Glass Reach and Clean Tool. While not technically an outright cleaner, this reach and clean tool permits those of who are not blessed with outrageously long arms the ability to reach that part of the window all the way back there without having to resort to acrobatics and stretching exercises. The triangular head, a great shape for getting into corners, is on a pivot and is said to contour to the shape of whatever glass you're trying to clean. There is an 18-inch reach to the handle, giving a great amount of extra reach. One could simply wet the microfiber bonnet for a quick clean, but the seller recommends an actual glass cleaner for getting rid of anything more than light dust. Pros: best thing for extra reach since Inspector Gadget's arms. Cons: requires another cleaner to do the best job. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Adam's new glass cleaner. We're not sure from where the new part of this product name hails, other than to say it is a freshly formulated version of cleaner in the Adams Polishes line of car care gear. This green tinted cleaner is specifically said to be safe on aftermarket tinted windows, so go ahead and use it on your Sunfire hoop tie. Using the too great name of optical clarifiers, the seller asserts this product keeps glass clear while providing a crisp appearance that shine freaks all crave. In a typical bit of upselling, Adams says customers should spray and wipe the cleaner with their green glass towel to give one's vehicle an invisible glass look. Pros: works great with a glass-specific towel. Cons: small bottle. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.